and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about perspective, or maybe not.
That's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. Keep that out on me. Yeah, that's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. You know it ain't got. I'm on lean, baby. Hey, pre-codeine, baby. Yeah.
Let's talk about 3 ways to improve your graphic design. I think that's a lot better than talking about perspective, because it would take me forever. It'd be like Linda not listening, and no, I'm not going to do it. Okay, I'll do it. All right, point is, and point thinking, we can start off with perspective though. Perspective is the thing that we control, yet we're also influenced by every single day. Walking down the street, going places to places. We live in a world where trends, clout chasing, and Instagram body shaming and body uplifting all at the same time exist. And our perspective is constantly changing. What we perceive sometimes turn out what we believe. And as a graphic designer, we need to understand those things. Another thing I really would like to touch on, which are the 3 points of how to get your graphic design unique and relevant. Unique and relevant. There's 3 points. First point is branching out. If you don't branch out and you stay in that little box, you're gonna have a hard time getting the results you want. So branching out is very important. There's 2 ways you can branch out. Branch out 2 ways. If you love doing animation art, branch out to more conventional art works such as nature, such as animals and people. And another thing will be to make sure that you understand awareness. So keep up in the news, keep up in what's going on, keep up in the weather. It could be anything that's relevant at the time. Use that and incorporate it into your art, and I guarantee you're going to see the change that you want. You'll be able to get there. You know, also touching on different cultures. This is a big thing. Branching out engulfs that also with a little bit of awareness, because you got to know a little bit about the culture. Culture incorporating is a big deal. So if you can incorporate Spanish culture, Chinese culture, Western, European, any culture into your art, that would definitely help you. And last but not least is mindset. And what I mean by mindset is the way you feel when you wake up in the morning. The way your mind thinks when you're designing or want to design that day. Because you know, some days you wake up and get out of bed, it's more like gabba, and you know, yeah. You don't want to do anything. So how can you get your mindset in the right order? One thing, which is a big thing, is when you first wake up, drink a lot of water. People said that, I laughed at them in their face. And I'm still not going to say sorry for it. Ha. Really, but I the one who got laughed on. When I started drinking water early in the morning, when I first wake up, I seen a whole different tune in my mindset. And the second thing was, you know, writing down 3 things I'm grateful for. That's important. Know what you're grateful for. Those 3 things will also help your mindset and get your creativeness to a new level. And last but not least, on the mindset thing, is go, travel, look, go about your day. You don't really always have to hit the art point. Inspiration comes from so many different things. So go.